Warm greetings to everyone present here. It's me, Aaska, Prasain, here in front of you all to talk about a topic that you might have heard or even thought about, effects of social media on teenagers. Teenagers nowadays are generally influenced by social media, and it is both beneficial and provides consequences. Positively, it creates peer connection, provides learning materials, promotes creativity, helps in academics, and most importantly, helps find ourselves. Social media is associated with other mental health problems including depression, anxiety, low self-worth. Excessive use may lead to addictiveness, low self-span, and generally cyberbullying. Low sleep schedules and erodes privacy. To sum my presentation, I would like to say social media helps teenagers explore their identity, but can also cause fear, pressure. All over, it depends on content consumed. Thank you and have a good day.